In this guide, I'll quickly walk you through on how to find out the RPM of your monetized YouTube channel. That is how much YouTube pays you for every 1000 views on your YouTube channel or on your videos, all right? Depending on different ranges, okay? So we're going to cover everything in easy steps. Let's just get right into it. First, tap on your YouTube studio. Once your YouTube studio opens, tap on Analytics. On this Analytics tab, look at the top part. You see some headings, trends, overview, content, audience. Drag until you get to revenue and tap on revenue. As this revenue opens, you will see how much you have earned already in the last 28 days. But that's not what I'm interested in. Scroll down until you get to this video performance section. Alright, you can see last 28 days. This has made $149.88. So tap on that section. Alright, tap there. Now, as this has expanded, you will see my revenue in the last 28 days for the videos I have here. You can see now that the revenue per mile, all right, that's per 1000 view, how much YouTube pays me for every 1000 views on my video right now is $4.25. All right, this can vary depending on the type of niche you run on your YouTube channel. All right, so you can see where we have 28 days. If you want to make it longer or minimize it, you tap there. Okay, maybe you want to find out the revenue in the last 7 days. You tap on last 7 days. Okay, then you can see last 7 days the revenue RPM dropped to 3.88. If you want something longer, tap on that 7 days, 7D, and select maybe 90 days, last 90 days. All right, you can see. So meaning that the best performing right now on this channel is last 28 days. I have really had, high revenue per mile in the last 28 days, okay, which is $4.25. So for every 1000 views on this channel, I'm being paid $4.25. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech, YouTube education, and a touch of self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people.